In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable autofill on the Google Chrome web browser. Autofill can be a tremendously helpful feature, streamlining the process of entering repetitive information like addresses or payment details. However, you might find that there are situations where disabling it is more beneficial, particularly if you're concerned about privacy or simply want more control. Let's walk through the steps together to either activate or deactivate this feature according to your needs. First, you'll want to open the Google Chrome web browser on your device. It doesn't matter if you're using a desktop, laptop, or a mobile device, the process is similar across platforms. Once you have Chrome open, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots, which is the menu icon. Go ahead and click on those dots to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Now, from this menu, you'll want to select the Settings option. This selection will open up a new tab or window that houses all the configurations available in Chrome. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for something labeled Autofill on the left-hand side. If you're on a mobile device, you may just need to scroll down slightly to find it. In the Autofill section, you'll notice 3 main areas: passwords, payment methods, and addresses, and more. Each of these sections allows you to control what information Chrome stores and autofills. Let's start with passwords. Click on it, and here you have the option to manage saved passwords and decide whether Chrome should prompt you to save these passwords in the future. You can toggle this feature on or off based on your preference, giving you the control to enable or disable autofill for passwords specifically. Next, navigate to payment methods. Here, much like with passwords, you can manage any payment details you've permitted Chrome to remember. You can add, edit, or remove credit cards right from this menu. If privacy or security is a concern, you might decide to turn off the option to save and fill payment methods by toggling the switch to the off position. Lastly, head over to Addresses and More. This is where Chrome saves information such as your name, address, and phone number for quick form filling. Just like with the other 2 sections, here too, you can manage or delete stored addresses and enable or disable the feature depending on what you find convenient or secure. We've now covered the steps to enable and disable autofill on Google Chrome, giving you the flexibility to tailor this feature according to your preferences. Whether you choose to keep it on for convenience or off for privacy, you're in control of managing how Chrome handles your personal data. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our videos for additional tips and tutorials.